Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Guess what's happening today? Yes, you've been hearing me talk about this for weeks now. It's my new paper project book for kids. So the last 5 years I've been here on YouTube, I've spent listening to you and listening to what projects you like, listening to what materials you like, listening to what's doable, what isn't, what's difficult, what is easy, all that kind of stuff. And I've put all my favorite ideas and projects in this book with you in mind. So hopefully it really is doable, fun, and you know what? Above all, it's made out of mainly paper. Paper, a little bit of cardstock, some stationery, some recycling, but mainly paper so that it's really easy, really accessible, and hopefully lots of fun. Anyway, what this video is really about, obviously it's the book launch, which is today, but it's also, I'm giving one copy away. I ran this competition about 10 days ago. You guys had to leave me a comment and tell me which craft you like the best in here, and then luck helped me choose a winner. And who's the winner? A bit nervous if I do much drum roll, the camera will fall over. The winner is Richard Dominguez. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Richard, congratulations, you have won this book. So what I need you to do now is drop me an email to info@redtedart.com. I'll leave you the email down below. Send me your postal address and I'll make sure the publisher sends this out to you ASAP. As part of the competition entry, I asked you to vote for your favourite craft. You mentioned lots and lots of different crafts. I'll just show you which one Richard mentioned. Let me find it. It is, of course, a bookmark, because we do love bookmarks. Here we go. This was Richard's favourite. It is the little kitten bookmark. And what we love about this bookmark is that it uses basic shapes, basically some ovals, an oval, large oval with some ears, same sized oval for the body, two little round ovals or whatever you want to call them for the feet, and a little tail. And what I really love about this craft is depending on how you arrange it, so if you put them together like this or like that or like this, you get 3 different cats. So the book is packed with ideas like that where you use simple shapes and you put them together in different ways to create new crafts. So I'd love to see how you would make, I don't know, a dog in this kind of way, or can you maybe make an elephant? Lots of different things you could make with the same principle. So Richard, I'm really glad you like this craft, so do I. And yeah, that's it. That was my new book. Hooray! So excited. I really hope you guys put it all on your birthday gift list, your Christmas wish lists, and that you love this book as much as I do. Anyway, that was it really. Back to a normal Red Ted Art broadcasts coming on Thursday and on Saturday. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.